So, I've been teaching busy and ambitious professionals for more than 8 years. Well, professionals that work in companies like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, IBM, KPMG, the Home Office, Bloomberg, the Walt Disney Company, the Wall Street Journal, quite a lot of people from many different places. And they all improve. It's really amazing, really very successful professionals. They understand different ways to process information, and they learn some tricks, tools and techniques that can be applied to documents, court bundles, the newspaper, emails, can read faster books and get what you want from it. Sometimes you can also just have a quick browse to see what you don't want to read. That's also important, to select information. So today I'm here to actually show you how to do it all, and it's a very simple method that I've created because I was actually dyslexic. I've struggled a lot in my studies, and when I was doing engineering I was just so overwhelmed by the amount of books I had to read that I ended up giving up halfway through the course. At this point, I've learned how to speed read with a professor at the university, and then my life really changed. And I will be sharing with you how things work inside our head. And I come from a scientific background. I like understanding why. Once you understand why, you will be ready to go for it. And then you will perform very, very well. I'm sure you will. Now I'm going to show you how to get engaged, read faster, because the brain loves the speed. Once you go faster, you start seeing what they're describing in the book with your mind's eye, and then you get into the book. If you go too slow, your mind loses interest because the mind can process information very fast. So let's start from the beginning. Let's start with a test.